That's a card for sister. What did you get from Grandma and Grandpa? Oh, a beautiful outfit. Whoa. A dress. Beautiful. What else? What else is in there? Oh, she's got distracted from the cat. What else? Oh, look. A beautiful outfit for you. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. And what else? A beautiful romper. I love it. Yay! Oh my goodness, there's more stuff. What is this? Oops, there goes the box. Nari Road. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you. Say we love you. Oop. Nari, can you wave bye-bye? Nari, wave bye-bye. Hi, can you wave? Say thank you for all the clothes. We needed it.